Magic Mirror, I and My Avatar is an autonomous augmented reality art installation where artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques for gesture control, body segmentation and face tracking, such as random forest, active appearance models, support vector machines and dynamic programming, are utilized to allow users to wear and change a dynamic virtual carnival mask which tracks detailed face expressions. Already in 1958, Roger Caillois extended the theories by John Huizinga with 4 universal game types. One of these is mimicry. Mimicry means becoming someone else and participating in an illusionary world. This can occur between the free game type, Paida, and the rule-based game type, Ludus. Here, the gamer is inside a virtual character that is an avatar, a concept mentioned for example in Neil Stephenson's science fiction novel and bestseller Snow Crash from 1992, where it has been introduced to the public in the context of computer gaming. However, already in the 80s, the computer game series Ultima introduced the concept of an avatar, especially in Part 4, Quest for the Avatar, where the gamer takes over the role of an avatar as a virtual image. In 2003, James Paul G considers the different identities. For him, there is the identity of the gamer, the identity of the avatar in the game, and the projected identity. By this he describes transfer effects between gamers and their avatars. So within Magic Mirror, I and My Avatar, we initially provided a mixture of characters from the well-known, massively multiplayer online role-playing game World of Warcraft and contemporary Austrian politicians and presented it at a gaming conference. It was an instant hit. Afterwards, to make the installation more accessible to the general public, we successfully extended the mask set. Now we have many different masks based on seasonal variations, such as the Easter Bunny, Santa Claus and Christkind and Halloween characters, as well as European politicians and other persons of interest, such as the Pope and John Malkovich. Our installation allows up to 6 users to take over the role of a virtual figure or a politician in parallel, and enables each one to change his face, reposition or resize the background and make a snapshot by simple hand gestures. One disturbing variant of the installation is to give everyone the same unchanging face. Do you still feel like yourself?